What's up, my bomb ass subscriber squad? What's happening, loves? Welcome. I am your girl, Tonyanicole, and welcome, guys, to our channel. Today, we have the Naked Beauty box for the month of March. So if you guys are interested in seeing what's in my favorite skincare box, stay right there. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. All right, loves, welcome. As I said before, I am Tonyanicole, and I greatly appreciate you guys for clicking into this bonus video and checking your girl out. Today, we have the Naked Beauty box. I just want to give you guys just a quick little update. So, before we were uploading every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, but with my work schedule, it got a little hectic for me. So I took a poll and you guys decided on Tuesdays and Saturdays at 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. So that will be our new upload times and days. Tuesdays and Saturdays, 5 p.m. Central Time. We will have the occasional Friday upload, depending on what boxes that I have. So when we do Friday bonus video uploads, those will be at 1 p.m. Central Standard Time. But make sure those notification bells are on just in case I forget and you won't miss it. Make sure all is clicked because YouTube has been slipping and tripping with your girl. Y'all been like unsubscribed to my channel. Some people don't even get my notifications and I don't even know what's going on. But yes, your girl will try to keep you all posted. So my loves, welcome to Bonus Friday Naked Beauty box unboxing. I hope you guys are enjoying this little beautiful day. Is it a beautiful day? I don't know, it rained so much this week here, but we have life and breath, so it should be a beautiful day, right? Absolutely. There will be no shout outs in this video, guys, because it is a bonus video, but tomorrow's video will have the shout outs in it. Today, I have some red wine per usual. We're going to take a dance break and a drink break. The Naked Beauty box, guys, this is a skincare subscription. You receive 5 full-sized skincare products that are cruelty-free, vegan, and non-toxic. This one is $35.99 per month with free shipping, and you are supposed to get at least $85 to $150 of value in this box. These products are from indie and women-owned skincare businesses, and if you use the code TANYA20, you will receive 20% off of your first box. Now, I didn't even open it, so I don't know what's in it, but we're going to get to that right now. Grab a box cutter. All right, we open her up like that. That is what she is looking like on the inside. We do get a little card that gives us all of the products inside. So I always love to see that. I don't know the value, but y'all know I will calculate it up and put it towards the end of the video. So first up we have from, I know it's not Clear Skin. Let's see. Oh, this is from Wicked Good, and this is a Clear Skin Acne Body Mist. Okay, so it's to clear and soothe the skin. It also helps prevent acne and body breakouts. A body exfoliant with salicylic acid that fights acne fast and prevents new breakouts while calming redness. This is a quick drying formula that can be held at any angle to reach stubborn acne on hard to reach areas of the body. You're going to spray this evenly over affected areas. Spray and rub with hands or applicator for the hard to reach areas. You're going to allow it to dry and then you're going to put your moisturizer on. Do not spray this directly on your face, and it is unscented. So it does come with a little pump here. I'm going to spray the mister. Oh, it's a nice mist. Okay. Does not have a scent, so I do like that. And I'm always here for anything that's going to get rid of that back knee or chest knee or mass knee. All right, let's pull out the next product. All right, next up we have from Gypsy Soul, and this is a face toner. Oh, wait, did I tell you guys? This is $18, loves, 18 bucks. So this is from Gypsy Soul, and this is the face toner right here. It is a lavender face toner. This has lavender flowers in it that's infused with green tea, willow bark, aloe vera, and witch hazel to balance, clarify, and hydrate combination. Why always stutter on combination, girl? Combination oily and blemished prone skin like me. That's exactly what I have. So you're going to use this after you cleanse your face. You're going to shake it and spritz it on your dry face and neck and décolleté. I know that's not right. As desired, and you use it daily. This normally comes in a glass bottle, but I'm thinking since it's in a subscription box, they wanted to put it in some plastic. This retails for $30. Now, how do y'all feel about them adding like fragrance to your skincare products? For the most part, it doesn't really affect my skin too much. I can't remember what I sprayed on it one time that broke me out, but although I do prefer unscented, I do love the smell of this lavender. It is not strong at all, and y'all know I gotta spray it. Ooh, I love that mister. It feels really cool and like cooling on the skin when it falls on me. Okay, cool, 30 bucks, guys. I'm excited for this, excited. Our next product comes from Kamraya Beauty, and it is a Miracle Eyelash and Brow Serum right there. And this, my loves, retails for $8. It says, boost your eyelashes and eyebrow hairs with this all natural enhancing serum. Is designed to work with an applicator for ease of use and less mess. You're going to apply this nightly for the best results. It is a serum infused with rich vitamins and oils that will help your lashes grow 2 to 3 times. Ooh. It smells like, to me, like coffee, I guess, but I don't know what kind of coffee. All right, so that's what the applicator looks like, my loves. Y'all know I'm just like silly. So I'm okay with getting a brow and lash serum. I usually do not use them because y'all know I always wear lashes, but I can use it on my brows. So I'm excited for this, and this is $8. Let me take a little sip. All right, next product comes from Bodhi. I hope I'm saying that right. Bodhi. And this is a reborn into plumper and better version of self. What is this? Wait. This is the Bodhi One Decision. I don't know what this is. Is this like a moisturizer? Let me look at the bag. Apply to clean skin in the morning and at night. It's an all-in-one cream. You get 30 milliliters of product. Say One Decision. Let's open it. First of all, the packaging is like so cute. Look at that. It's like this. You pull it up. Boom. There's our little product. That is very cute. I'm going to think that this is like a moisturizer. So it says dry, damaged, and dehydrated skin requires extra care. This ultra nourishing cream delivers intensive moisture to target dryness. It blends natural oils, antioxidants, and skin essential hydrators to relieve irritation and rough texture, restoring a soft, supple look and feel to the skin. It has hyaluronic acid in it that plays a vital role in helping the skin to attract and retain moisture. It's a gentle formula that conditions the skin and leaves it smooth and replenished. There we go right there, guys. This retails for $48. Oh, girl. Oh, it smells like, I don't know, wait. It smells like an antibiotic to me. I don't know which one. I think it's, I don't know, but it's a cream, guys, like that. And it is for dry skin. Oh, why put it in there? So that's how it looks on my hand. Let's just rub it on out. All right, so it feels nice. It is for dry skin, or like if you have like dry patches on your face. I do love that. I do not have dry skin. I will test it out and see. I mean, it made my hand feel really, really soft, but I'll probably be passing this on to my mom. Ooh, okay. Oh, it has vitamin E, avocado oil, and copper peptide complex. I don't know what all that means, but okay, boo. Last product is, oh, wow, 3 face masks. And these are from Mid-Flower. And this is a, oh, Lord. I'm going to just put it up there so y'all can see it. Benchoten? I don't, girl, that's wrong. It's a charcoal clarifying black mask. You're going to get 3. These retail for $18 for the 3. It is for deep cleaning and detoxifying the skin. It is perfect, like I just said, for deep cleansing your skin with gentle ingredients, and it is suitable for all skin types. Okay. So I'm excited for this. Y'all know I do love a good skin mask. You know, charcoal is good to cleanse your skin and remove all of those toxins and all that dirt. So that is great. And you get 3, $18. All right, loves. So that was our final product. We're going to quickly recap. We're going to do some final thoughts and we're going to be done. So we have these 3 face masks right here. From Bod High, this moisturizer. From Gypsy Soul, this face toner. From Wicked Good, this clear acne body spray. And from Camera Beauty, this Miracle Eyelash and Eyebrow Growth Serum. So these 5 products here, my loves. I will put the grand total somewhere across here for you guys. So final thoughts really quick. I really like this subscription. I do love that it's clean products. I do love that it's vegan products. And that's what I need for my skin because I have acne prone skin. I break out so easy. And for the most part, the products that I received in this box and past boxes does really well with my skin. So I am happy about that. This month's box I liked. I probably could have done without the lash serum, but I know a lot of people have issues with long lashes and full brows. So this is always good to receive in boxes if you can actually be consistent in using it, which I am definitely not. So I'll probably just be passing this on. And also this is for dry skin. I will try it out because just because it's for dry skin, it may make my skin feel really nice. I mean, so I'm gonna test it out. If I find that it is making me like too oily, then I'll pass it on to my mother. But I'm excited about this box. I love skin mask. I love the fact that we got acne spray and a face toner. I love toners. So I think that it was a pretty good month for the Naked Beauty box. Let me know, guys, what's your thoughts on this subscription. Let me know if you are subscribed to this box. I do want to talk about it in the comments. If I had to rate on a scale of 1 being this box is garbage, throw it in the damn ocean. To 5 being this box is the bomb.com. Boo, you know what I'm saying. I'm going to give the Naked Beauty box for the month of March a solid 3.5 for this month. Those are my thoughts, guys, and that's all that I have. Make sure you let me know your thoughts down below. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to our channel. Be a part of our family. I post every Tuesday and Saturday, 5 p.m. Central Standard Time with the occasional Friday upload, which this goes up at 1 p.m. And every time it's a bonus video going forward, it will be up at 1, okay? Make sure you guys are following me on Instagram. I do have 2 pages on Instagram. The first one is dedicated to my unboxing, and that is Tonyanicole. I'll have everything linked down below. And I do have my little nail page that's Nails by Tonyanicole. But again, that's all in the description. I look forward to talking to you guys in the comments and on my next video. Bye, my loves.